everyone, welcome to the Blue Collar Gentleman. I apologize for how long it's been since I posted. For those of you who don't know, I've actually got another channel called Fat 50 and Running a Marathon, in which I'm chronicling my experiences training for a marathon. Well, because of that training, I have to choose footwear very delicately sometimes. In fact, last night I took Nancy out for dinner and I wore moccasins rather than traditional dress shoes for a Friday night because, well, as you can well imagine, running all those miles on my feet, it takes quite a toll. So today I'm getting ready to go to work, and it is a Saturday, and so the rules are a little bit more lax, and that's why I'm wearing my weekend sport coat. But I'm also wearing, and she will pan down now and you will see, actual casual shoes to work. Now, what I'm wondering and what I'm posing to you, all of the viewers out there, is training for a marathon any excuse for this, or do I need to just buck it up and deal with the pain and put on traditional dress shoes when going to work? That is the question that I pose to you, and I pose to the community at large. Does a gentleman owe it to his employer to always wear the proper shoe wear, regardless of whatever outside activities he may be participating in? Until next time, thank you for watching. Topher.